Morning, dear students. I am your teacher Nitin Pute from Department of English, Government Polytechnic Brahmapuri. Today we are going to deal with job application with resume, that is practical number 2 in the subject BCC 22009. Before we go ahead and discuss the details of job application and resume, let us understand why it is important and what is it. Dear students, job application letter is a very important application or a letter which we write when we seek job. So we can say that in the journey of getting a job, writing a job application letter is the first step. And obviously what happens? Job application letter is our first impression on the would-be employer. So our job application letter, we also call it covering letter, it should be in a proper format. It should be error free. It should not contain any kind of spelling mistake or grammatical error. Let us see now the format of job application letter. Before that, I would like to tell you that nowadays handwritten format of job application letter is not accepted. So what is accepted? This is the age of information and communication technology. So printed document, printed application letter, that is covering letter and resume, are accepted by the employers or organizations. So the paper size should be A4. The color should ink should be proper. Font, you should select either Times New Roman or Calibri. Font size should not should be between 10 to 12. It should not be less than 12, 10, and it should not be more than 12. Line spacing should be 1.5, and so far as margin is concerned, left margin should be 1.5 inch. Why so? In order to punch the document in the file, and the other margins like right, top and bottom should have 1 inches space. Now dear students, this is the format of covering letter or job application letter. There are different layouts to prepare or to write a formal letter as such. This format is called complete block layout, in which all the information is left aligned or aligned to the left margin. Let us discuss now. First, the thing is sender's name. Sender means the person who is writing job application letter, that is the job seeker's name is to be here. Leave one line space, then address. Leave one line space, date. Mention date here without the spelling of the word DATE, date. For example, 10 April 2021 as such. Leave one line space. Without mentioning to, directly write receiver and his address. Then leave one line space. Salutation. Salutation means respected sir or madam. This is the salutation because it is very necessary to greet the person, to greet the receiver. Then subject line. It should be application for the post of dash dash. So according to the post, you have to fill in the information. Then the important part of the letter starts here, which has 3 components or 3 paragraphs. The first paragraph of the body of the letter should have position and source of vacancy. Means you should mention here for which post you are applying, and you should also mention the source from where you have get the information about the vacancy of that particular post. समझलं? समझे आप? ठीक है, तो पहले पैराग्राफ में आप ये लिखने वाले हो, दूसरे पैराग्राफ में आप क्या लिखेंगे? यस, second paragraph is very important paragraph because it will catch the attention of the would be employer. So this paragraph plays a very key role in getting the call letter for the interview. इसमें क्या शामिल करना चाहिए फिर? नंबर वन, mention your education. So education that you have completed and which is relevant to the profile of that post, mention that education. अगर आप इलेक्ट्रिकल इंजीनियर के लिए अप्लाई कर रहे हो तो आपका क्वालिफिकेशन होना चाहिए डिप्लोमा और डिग्री इन इलेक्ट्रिकल इंजीनियरिंग। अगर आप सॉफ्टवेयर डिज़ाइनर इस पोस्ट के लिए अप्लाई कर रहे हो तो आपका क्वालिफिकेशन ऑब्वियसली इंफॉर्मेशन टेक्नोलॉजी या कंप्यूटर टेक्नोलॉजी या कंप्यूटर इंजीनियरिंग से रिलेटेड होना चाहिए। इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स इंजीनियर के लिए अप्लाई कर रहे हो तो आपका डिप्लोमा या डिग्री उसमें होना चाहिए। मैकेनिकल इंजीनियरिंग के लिए आप अप्लाई कर रहे हो तो आपका डिप्लोमा या डिग्री मैकेनिकल इंजीनियरिंग में होना चाहिए। यानी मेरा कहने का ये मतलब है कि अकॉर्डिंग टू द पोजीशन एंड योर क्वालिफिकेशन यू शुड मेंशन हियर। उसके बाद एक्सपीरियंस, अगर आप फ्रेशर हो सो नो नीड टू मेंशन योर एक्सपीरियंस हियर, नो नीड टू से दैट आई हैव नो एक्सपीरियंस. So better avoid this particular sentence, but if you have experience you should certainly mention it in proper manner. Then additional courses and skills that you possess should be mentioned in paragraph number 2. As I told you earlier, your covering letter is a mirror of your personality, so you should try to make proper use, optimum use of this covering letter because it communicates you to your would-be employer. That's it. Paragraph number 3 consists of the request to call for an interview. And finally, there is complimentary clause with thanking you, yours sincerely, sign, sender's name, and leave one line space, there is enclosure. Dear students, here you can see the blocks in red color boxes are there. I have done this in order to make you understand the different parts of the letter. Every part is separated from the other part with the help of the space. Right? This is a plain paper. You might not have understood the space. So I have made use of boxes using red color. Now we will see one example. Okay? Let us see. Nishikant Mohite is the name of job seeker. His name Nishikant Mohite. Leave one line space. Write the address. Flat number 7, Shri Apartment, Shahunagar, Brahmapuri, District Chandrapur. Leave one line space. 1 April 2021. One line space. The HR Manager, Infosys Softwares, Nagpur 400005. Respected sir, application for the post of a software designer. First paragraph, with reference to your advertisement in the Hitwada dated 30 March 2021 for the post of a software engineer, I present my candidature. I feel confident that I possess the requisite qualifications and experience. Dear student, there is one error here, typing error. Software designer is the application post, so you should also mention here software designer instead of engineer. This is one correction. Second paragraph should have, as I told you, your qualification, your skills, and the additional courses that you have completed. I am a young and energetic man. Now tell me, who will not like the man who is young and energetic? Every organization looks for a young and energetic employees, right? So mention that I am a young and energetic man having mastery over C++ and advanced Java programming. I have also completed an online course on cyber security. I have 2 years of experience as an assistant engineer in Tata Consultancy Services, Pune. I have passed BE in Computer Engineering with first class with distinction in 2019. I have also completed diploma in advanced Java programming. Right? Then paragraph 3, kindly consider my application and offer me opportunity of an interview. If I am selected, I will carry out my responsibilities as per your satisfaction. तो ये तीसरा पैराग्राफ में हम रिक्वेस्ट कर रहे हैं कॉल लेटर सेंड करने के लिए. थैंक यू. योर्स सिंसियरली साइन निशिकांत मोहिते. एनक्लोजर्स रेज्यूमे अटेस्टेड जेरोक्स कॉपीज ऑफ ऑल सर्टिफिकेट्स. तो समझ में आया डियर स्टूडेंट्स? शुरुआत में हमने क्या देखा? अभी कवरिंग लेटर या एप्लीकेशन लेटर देखा है. अभी हम देखेंगे रेज्यूमे. डियर स्टूडेंट्स, रेज्यूमे इज अ second part of job application letter which is very important. Now there are other synonyms also used for resume. One is biodata and the other is curriculum vitae. So far as biodata is concerned, biodata has private or personal details and the term is used in India. Curriculum vitae is the term used in the United Kingdom, that is England, and curriculum vitae is more academic related information oriented as compared to resume. So what is resume? Resume is nothing but an American term used to summary or summarize your qualification, education, skills, etc. So how to write it? Let us see. Consider this is your page. So at the top in the center type the word resume, name Nishikant Mohite, address the same address that you mention in the application letter. But here you also mention Bapin, flat number 7 Shri Apartment, Shahunagar, Brahmapuri, District Chandrapur, pin 441206. Here at the right hand side space you should also paste your recent passport size photograph. Email ID mention nishikantp@gmail.com. Mobile number 9763671432. Dear students, nowadays it is the faster media to communicate, right? So companies are also taking help of emails as well as mobiles because they are faster means of communication as compared to the post and courier services. Within seconds, an email can be sent from one place to another, right? That's why email ID is necessary, mobile number is also necessary. Next thing is career objective. Career objective should be professional, right? And it should be very simple, right? For example, रिजल्ट ओरिएंटेड सॉफ्टवेयर डिज़ाइनर. आपको क्या बनना है? रिजल्ट ओरिएंटेड सॉफ्टवेयर डिज़ाइनर बनना है विद द एबिलिटी. क्या काबिलियत है आपके पास होनी चाहिए? टू एफिशिएंटली यूटिलाइज, अच्छी तरीके से उपयोग करना किसका? अवेलेबल रिसोर्सेस. जो कुछ अवेलेबल रिसोर्सेस है उसकी सहायता से रिजल्ट ओरिएंटेड सॉफ्टवेयर डिज़ाइनर बनना, जो क्या करेंगे? टू जनरेट करना चाहिए ऑप्टिमम गुड प्रॉफिट. ऑप्टिमम प्रॉफिट ऑर्गेनाइजेशन के लिए आए, इस प्रकार का काम मैं करने वाला हूँ. दिस इज करियर ऑब्जेक्टिव. नाउ दिस करियर ऑब्जेक्टिव इज फॉर सॉफ्टवेयर डिजाइनर, फॉर इलेक्ट्रिकल इंजीनियर, फॉर मैकेनिकल इंजीनियर, इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स इंजीनियर. दिस करियर ऑब्जेक्टिव विल बी डिफरेंट. Then skills you have to mention, which skills you are master with. So proficiency in Java programming, ability to develop web pages, patience and active listening, very important thing. If you think critically, the first two things are related to hard skills, the third skill is related to soft skill. Patience is a very important skill so far as software development or designing is concerned. Many a times what happens, the software designer is impatient and he cannot complete his software within the stipulated time and up to the satisfaction of the employer because of impatience. So for software designer, patience is a very important merit, right? So it is a very important skill also. Experience, as you have experience, so mention experience here. If you are a fresher, do not type this line, do not write this line, experience. Here we mention experience in the covering letter, that's why we write the same here. Assistant engineer at TCS Pune since 2019. Research project, undertaken a project on database management system in third year Bachelor of Engineering, TYBE. Education, one, massive online courses like on cyber security on SWAYAM degree in 2021 recently. So latest comes first and then the oldest. Diploma in advanced Java programming in 2020 from CDAC Pune. BE in computer engineering in 2019 from GEC Nagpur. Awards and titles won: Best Programmer Award in 2018 from Government Engineering College, Nagpur. 2. Expert in Java Programming Award given by CDAC in 2020. Hobby and interest. Dear students, the hobbies and interests should be relevant to the post you are applying for. Suppose you are applying for the post of a software designer, so if you mention here your hobby like swimming, dancing, singing, these are irrelevant things. So the hobby which is very related, relevant to the post, then you should mention that. For example, here developing gaming apps for kids. So gaming apps, applications development is a part of software, so it is very necessary to mention such things over here. Languages known: Marathi, Hindi and English. The person can read, write and understand all the three languages. Then computer courses, additional computer courses that you have completed, you should mention over here, because every communication in almost all the offices and organization is done with the help of computer nowadays. So it is the need of the hour to make use of computer. So computer courses like completed MSCIT with 100 marks in 2015, basics of computer programming in 2014, and finally signature name Mr. Nishikant Kushal Mohite. In this way, job application letter along with resume is written. Now for you, this is a question. Computer technology students, you should answer this question in your lab manual and take the photograph and send it to me on my WhatsApp. This is the question for mechanical engineering group or students. This is for electrical engineering students, and this is for electronics engineering students. So I hope all the students, I have been able to explain to you job application letter along with resume in easy manner. Thank you so much for listening to me. Please send me your comments as well as your queries, if any, to my personal WhatsApp number, which is mentioned over here, 9763671432. Thank you so much. Stay home, stay safe and be healthy. Thank you.